All guys, most powerful animals and toys. क्या बात है? First of all, this is heavy bike motorcycle. Cute, very nice. Good, beautiful. This is zebra. Zebra is animal of race. Powerful animal. Cute, beautiful, very nice. This is cow. Cow money. Guy. Powerful animal of is used for milk. क्या बात है? This is fox. Fox animal of forest. Cute, beautiful, very nice. This is rat. Rat is house animal and forest. Live underground. This is tiger. Tiger is hunting animal of forest. Cute, very nice. This is gainda. Gainda is heavyweight animal of forest. Wow, क्या बात है?